Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Carol Braids. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like and share. Today I'm gonna be showing you how we achieve this look. This is her hair already washed and conditioned, and we're gonna be using this wool or yarn thread.
This is wool thread. It's almost like yarn, but it's wool thread. I already started using this one.
So I'm gonna partition her hair to the size that I want, and then I'm gonna start wrapping it up. I'm gonna wrap it in an upward motion.
Now I kind of cut a line, and then I'm gonna braid upward. See that? Alright guys, now I have her hair all braided. You see that? I have this angle. And now I'm gonna do single braids here. Just gonna do some single on the rest of this hair right here. Do some singles here.
Is your butt finished? No, never.
No, another.
Alright guys, I did individual on the side, and then I'm gonna go ahead and curl them. You could get something that is smaller than this comb, but so far this is what I got, and it's what I'm using to curl it up. See, this is what I want. I want them to have that shape. See, just wrap them around. See, it's what we want. We want them to be like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and curl all the individuals that I did.
I don't down. The pink keep going down. Why are you acting like a shh? Is that all? Acting like. Why are you acting like that?
Alright guys, here is the finished look. Look at my model. She is so happy she had her hair done. Turn around, mama. Look at that. It's beautiful. Let's see the side of your hair. Look at that. Thank you guys for watching how we create a traditional look. If you don't understand something, please comment on the comment. I will ask questions on the comment section. If you want to see more traditional look like this one we just created, please comment and we will get to you.